3 things destroying your eyes. You're doing at least one of them while reading this sentence. And the first one? Almost nobody sees it coming. You get one pair of eyes. Ever. No replacements. And the damage from these 3 habits builds silently for years before you ever notice anything's wrong. Here's what's happening inside your eye in real time and what to do instead. Number 3. Rubbing your eyes hard. It feels amazing. It's also the most mechanically destructive thing on this list. Every hard rub physically deforms your cornea, the curved dome at the front of your eye that focuses everything you see. Do that for years, and you're looking at a strong link to keratoconus. The cornea thins and bulges into a cone shape, permanently warping your vision. You're also rupturing tiny blood vessels, spiking pressure inside the eye, and dragging bacteria from your hands straight onto the surface, a leading cause of infection. The fix: cold compress for tired eyes, drops for dryness, a clean knuckle, and gentle pressure only if you must. Never grind. Number 2. Staring at screens without blinking. Normally, you blink around 15 times a minute. The second you lock onto a screen, that drops to as low as 5. Every blink spreads a protective tear film across your eye. Cut blinking by 2/3, and that film dries out and breaks apart. That's digital eye strain. The burning, gritty, blurry feeling millions get every evening without knowing why. The fix: the 2020 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds and blink fully on purpose. It resets the whole system. Number 1. The one that surprises everyone. Using your phone in a completely dark room. In the dark, your pupils dilate wide open to pull in more light. Then, you point a bright screen directly into them. That's the maximum possible amount of light slamming into your retina. Far more than the same screen in a lit room. It causes intense strain, worsens the dryness from not blinking, and at night, that light suppresses melatonin, wrecking the very sleep your eyes need to recover. Do this in bed every night, and your eyes get maximum damage and minimum recovery. The worst possible combination, repeated for years. The fix: never use your phone in full darkness. Keep a soft light on, drop your screen brightness, and put the phone down at least 30 minutes before sleep. 3 habits. Stop grinding your eyes. Blink and rest them from screens. Never light up a bright phone in a pitch black room. All 3 are free. All 3 start tonight. If this just saved your vision, hit like, share it with someone who's always rubbing their eyes or scrolling in the dark, and subscribe. Follow for more body protocols like this one. You only get one pair of eyes. Protecting them costs you nothing.